What is going on? It's your boy Chris 718 and I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 ways to make a woman love you. So, let's begin with step number 1. Step number 1, you have to make the woman submit. You have to make her submit. If the woman don't submit to you, then there's a problem. You see, a man always got to be in control of his woman, not by controlling her, but by showing that he's in control. So you have to make her submit, and that goes with step number 2. In order for you to make a woman submit, you have to make her respect you. For a woman to respect you, you simply just have to show her the strength that you are strong enough to walk away. If a woman don't respect you, you have to show her that you can walk away, that you don't need her and that you good being alone. So you have to respect yourself, and you have to show her that if she don't respect you, it will be consequences, and the consequences are you walking away. The female then will decide if she will submit to you, and if she does submit to you, then that's a good thing. Now we go to step number 3. Step number 3 is simply make the woman acknowledge your time. Make her acknowledge your time. Once she already respected you, once she already submitted to you, you have to make that female acknowledge your time. Simply by acknowledging your time is showing her that your time is worthy, that even if you're not with her all the time, that she must respect it. And a woman is going to love a man who out here doing his thing, who's out here living his best life. And simply a lot of guys, they messed up because they spent too much time with their female. And that's not right. A female's not going to value your time if the only time that you have is spending time with her. A female's not going to value your time, So you must value your own time in order for her to value your time. How can you value your time? That's simply by working on your purpose. That's by being on your job, by, getting your life in order and doing what it takes to get your life in order. And a female, she's going to value your time, So try not to spend a lot of times with that person you love, because then they will not value your time. So you have to make them value your time simply by showing them that you value your time enough for them to value yours. Step number 4, you have to make that female comfortable to be around you. You have to make that female comfortable, or that person that you with comfortable. A man needs to show a female that she is protected around him, that he's in control and he knows what he's doing. Once a female see that you in your masculine frame, she will be comfortable around you. A masculine frame don't show no feminine frame. If you show feminine frame, then the female is going to get uncomfortable. How do you show feminine frame? Getting angry, getting upset, showing any type of weakness, screaming, arguing. Those right there are feminine frame. You have to leave it for the females, You in your masculine frame. Your masculine frame is, you have to show you're comfortable in your own skin. You have to show her that you need respect the same way you show her respect. Show her you're not a wimp. Show her that you simply just in control. Remain your masculine frame by not being goofy, by simply just be masculine. That's about it. Step number 5. Once those steps are followed, you have to build conflict. You have to build conflict. Once a female begins to love you, once she's already comfortable around you, once she's already submitted to you, you have to build conflict. And simply how you build conflict is by remaining mysterious. When I say remaining mysterious, it's not showing that female everything that you do day by day, showing her, calling her every minute, picking up her phone every minute. You have to build some conflict, some confusion. You know, it's very important. Once confusion is built, once you remain mysterious, a female will be more attracted to you. She don't know why she's attracted to you, but she will be attracted to you and she will submit at the highest. So you have to build some type of conflict. It's very important. So that's 5 steps to make a woman love you.